Former Health Minister and current Health and Social Services Advisor to the Presidency, Dr. Bernard Haufiku, said that they have kept Rehoboth and Okahanja open as people who live in those areas might be able to provide essential services in Windhoek.
The reason why we include Rehoboth and Okahanja into commerce is because you have people coming from those two towns doing services here. Some of those services are essential services. So we don't want to lock Rehoboth out. And then we have people performing essential services like ICU nurses, fire brigade, and some pharmacists, and even doctors who may come in from Okahanja. That's the only reason why we include this. But if we didn't have people coming in from those towns, then we would have locked them out. Yeah, because they're not part of commerce. I just want also to add that locking out commerce and Erongo is maybe an initial step or first step. In the end, we need to lock down the country if we have to succeed. China has shown us a very good example. They started in Wuhan and basically locked down the whole country. Russia did it way, way, way ahead. That's why you have about 100 cases in Russia. Only 100. So lock down the country, it worked as far as this disease outbreak is concerned. And that's what we need to move to as soon as possible.
Dr. Haufiku added that there are essential services that cannot go on lockdown, with medical and food services topping the list.
So we start with medical, anything related to medical service, whether you are a doctor or a nurse in a hospital or clinic, or you are a pharmacist, or you are an ambulance driver, whatever relates and linked to healthcare, that is not going to be touched. It stays intact. And then we come to food, because as I say, we all depend on that. Anyone selling food, we will not close that services. We may just limit the number of people coming to buy food at any given time. If you are operating a fire brigade, we won't close that. And yesterday, Minister Kale asked me, Bernard, what about agricultural worker, farm worker? I said, well, they are one chain of food supply. We can't touch them. Luckily, normally farm workers are not in their hundreds. And the space is so big, so there's no big risk there. So anything relating to food, we won't touch that. Obviously, the supply of fuel, as we all know, that is essential service. We won't touch that. Anything to do with power supply, water supply, some other logistic like the truck that are bringing in either medicine or material to clean water or whatever. And then we come to cleaning services, because if we are not clean, we're increasing the risk of diseases. So anyone cleaning is considered an essential service. Then the list goes and up, become a little bit narrow. But construction is not necessarily an essential service.
The Erongo and Commerce regions will go on lockdown on the 27th of March 2020 at midnight.